Is your garage door moving slower than usual? If it takes a long time to open or close, this could indicate an issue with the opener or other mechanical problems that need immediate attention. Don't let a sluggish garage door slow down your day. Residents in the Shellharbour area, you have a quick solution at your fingertips. Call our team of qualified professionals at 0409-774-111 for prompt, efficient garage door repair. We'll make sure your garage door returns to peak performance swiftly. Act now and ensure your garage door is fast and reliable.